Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminders on the Pregnancy Plus application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the menu section, click to the first option, the settings. Here you can find the first option, the reminders, and if you want to enable, just click to the next gray circle, and if it will be blue, this function will be enabled. And new, you get reminders and other notifications about the application and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.